mean, honestly, I been knew that this was gonna happen, but 100% me personally, I'm not gonna text my niece unless my sister allows her to text my niece. That's just me being as cordial as possible in that situation. So honestly, Ben was like, shit, she need to be over here for her Christmas break, because like that's the perfect time for us to actually spend some time before we both basically have to go back to normal life. But now I can let her see this in person, see if she likes it. If she likes it, then that's what I'll get her for Christmas, and this could be her Christmas gift. And then I went to the pawn shop and I saw a speaker, and I'm like, bet, bitch, like, take your ass to the pawn shop and get a speaker that you really want. So that's how that's gonna work out. But this, I feel like this would be great because she got a microphone, and they gonna let her be great. So, and if she can plug that microphone to this speaker, baby, she is going to have a fucking ball, okay? So yes, I love that for my girl. I love that. That's how tuned we are with each other, okay? Because she's gonna love it. She is gonna freaking love it. I know it. So yeah, anyway, but I am excited. I get to see my niece. Yeah, this dog right here, this is the culprit. Oh, sit down. Do you know how to sit? Sit. Sit. Sit down. I'm trying to get the tag, but I can't see the other side, and I'm not touching her. Baby, talk about divine right timing, because like, what is the irony of my niece calling me when she called me? Like, this is the perfect time. And I even like I manifested this. I was like, ooh, I could pick her up later Christmas Day and we could go walking. Like, we've never been walking together. And look at me, I manifested that. And not only that, I manifested it early in the day. So a win-win. I basically gonna have her for 2 days. Love that for us. So I'm excited. And the video I just took of the dog, if I gotta be a snitch, I'm gonna be a snitch, because at this point in time, like, you're affecting me having to walk my dog, and yeah, I can't have that shit. Like, it's bad enough I deal with him in general, but to deal with another animal that is affecting, yeah, that's a big no. So yeah. Snoop. Snoopy, stop. You ready to go walking? We're gonna go somewhere. You better not shit in my car. You hear me? Stupid. See, that's why he don't take me serious either. Hey, you. You better not boo-boo in my car. And you ain't getting that damn dog, because she dirty too. She is dirty too. Like, it's just like something just gobbled on the side of her neck. And it may be that coffee too. No, she was dirty before the coffee. So she's dirty. So yeah, bitch, stay the fuck away from my son. Yes. I just drank this water from the car. Man, I love cold water from the outside. It tastes so refreshing, like real refreshing, going down your throat. And it's like, it's not even ice cold, but it's like that perfect cold, like, you know, like that slushy cold. That's what it is. You know, like sometimes when you put your water bottle in the freezer and like it's not really frozen, but as soon as you take it out, it like ices up. That's what this tastes like. Exactly what that tastes like. Wait, and before I turn this air back up so I can let this car heat up faster, but it is heating up. So the little dog, it was these two ladies walking to the car, and you know, they're scared of the dog. And so once I see what the problem is, you know, I'm trying to help them, be like, oh, she's friendly, da 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 da. One is listening, the other one is not. And she catches an attitude and she's like, I don't care if it's friendly. And I'm like, well, I'm trying to help you. If you would shut up and listen, I'm trying to help you keep the dog away from you, so you're not doing what the fuck you doing in this fucking moment. Because that ain't gonna help you if somebody is trying to rob the both of you while you trying to run away from this fucking dog. So, yeah, I was like, well, I'm trying to help you. And I'm like, if you get a spray bottle and you spray her as you're walking, you're good. Like, she's not gonna do nothing. Like, she's that friendly. But she wouldn't even let me touch her. So, and I didn't want to touch her anyway because she's dirty. I wanted to see if she had a tag on her or not, because like, I don't think a lot of people realize like the difference between a dump dog and a lost dog. Because a lost dog, 9 times out of 10, is gonna have its collar with its name and all of that. Everybody who talks about a lost dog, like I saw a lost pit bull, another pit bull, and it didn't have the name thingy, it just had the collar on. And it's like, okay, somebody dumped that dog, but someone did love that dog enough to make sure that that dog had a blanket for the night for when it got cold. And everybody is assuming that that sweater meant somebody is caring for the dog, but no, there's no name thingy. They dumped the dog, but they had a heart enough to make sure they were warm for the winter, basically. So, because like, even this morning when I put Snoop on the porch, like, although he was cold, the only thing was cold was he was shivering and his ears was cold. I was hugging his body and his body temperature was very warm. And I love the fact that in that moment of that warmth, it became a bonding moment for us, that I most definitely took it for that moment and connected it for that moment, because he came to seek shelter to me. He came, he sat directly in between my legs and laid down in my lap and sought out shelter. And of course, I gave it to him. Like, I rubbed him, I was rubbing his little ears, I try to get close to him so he know, okay, I'm gonna warm you up, mama got you type of shit, mama bear type of shit. And yeah, and he sat there for a hot minute, and then because he was shaking, I was like, let me see if I can figure out how to warm up the bottom. And that's what he did move, but it was just because, I don't know. But yeah, that's neither here nor there.
Turn right onto Bluebonnet Place Circle, then turn right onto Park Trail Way.
Wow, it looks so crazy.
Turn right onto Park Trail Way, then the destination is on your right.
This is where I lived at in high school, right here. Right here is where I used to live. And our Asian neighbors who used to always give us stuff for Christmas lived in that other apartment. I can't lie, I can tell that these apartments have been run down, but this is still home. Like, this is home.
One of them ones. I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. And bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it hit on occasion for entertainment. Didn't even leave us at the house. but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah, but here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday, you forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's, boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah. I brought your wifey out the St. Martin. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they ought to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now the talk at the corner store is I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always how it seems when it's so together. Yeah. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you. Cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this, been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some Buddha legs, arm in a hooch. Drinking hypnotic with Glenn Lewis, I've been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim to it. Too busy face screwing on waist movements. You was riding TTC Metro, I had the place booming. First take Drake, you know I rarely have to take to it. And they still take to it. Big Apple had the white Hummer parked right in front of Fluid. And we be walking in that minute like we already knew it. But money can't buy happiness, jelly talking truthful. But I'm happiest when I can buy what I want, get how I want. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make me so smile. That dick make me so proud. Ooh,
Baby, you won't break my soul.